Okay, now the token of appreciations for all the students. I will start from the student basically clear the NDA-2 exam, and they are deserving for the 1,000 rupees cash award also. First is Shivam Singh. You can come here first.
Good luck for your SSB. ये आपका कैश अवार्ड.
Vineet Kumar.
Well done.
Now everybody can come one by one.
Hello everyone, I am Vaibhavi. I am from Sangli, Maharashtra.
All the best.
Thank you.
एक्चुअली आपको पता है मैं एक प्लास्टिक का फूल लेता हूँ जब भी यहाँ से एसएसबी बैच पास आउट होता है. आपने देखा होगा कि पिछले अभी के बैच में 2-3 कैंडिडेट आए थे जो रिकमेंड हो गए फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट में आए. उनको फिर उनको 10,000 कैश अवार्ड भी मिला. और ये जो प्लास्टिक का फूल है बुके में कन्वर्ट होगा. ये वापस लूँगा और बुके दूंगा उनको. आपके सामने हुआ है ये, तो उसको संभाल के रखना. जब रिकमेंड हो मेरिट लिस्ट में आओ ये मुझे वापस करना और बुके ले लेना. ये मेरा क्राइटेरिया.
Hello, my name is Nandini Vashisht. I come from Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best, Nandini.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning everyone, I am Anjali Dombe. I come from Pune, Maharashtra.
All the best, Anjali.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Nandini Bhati and I am from Haryana, Faridabad.
All the best. Good luck.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Diksha, I am from Karnal, Haryana.
All the best, Diksha.
Thanks.
Good luck.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Hanukaran K and I am from Chittorgarh, Rajasthan.
All the best. Good luck.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Pandey, I am from Lakhisarai, Bihar.
Bihar se. All the best, Saurabh. Good luck.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Solan Pansa and I belong from a beautiful place, Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you.
Well done. And all the best, beta.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Navdeep West and I belong from Uttakashi, Uttarakhand.
All the best, Navdeep.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Aryan Sharma and I am from Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh.
All the best, Aryan.
Good morning everyone, my name is Parikshit Negi and I am from Pauri Garhwal, Uttarakhand.
Good luck.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Akash Ningwal and I am from TD Garhwal, Uttarakhand.
All the best, Akash.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ashish Arya. I am from Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best, Ashish. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Jayamitra Thapa and I hail from Dehradun, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand.
All the best. Haircut le lena.
Good morning everyone, my name is Atul Yadav, I am from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best, Atul.
चलिए once again wish you all the best and always remember one thing. SSB boards are made for selection, not for rejection, right? But वो रिजेक्ट वही होता है जो उनके क्राइटेरिया में फिट नहीं होता. और आप सबको बता दिया है, मैं उसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं करूँगा. इसको जाओ और आपका लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा SSB में. आई एम वेरी मच श्योर. एंजॉय करो उसको, देखो, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से जाओ. बाकी अच्छा करोगे तो अच्छा होगा, राइट? नथिंग टू वरी. हमेशा खुश रहो. अगेन कम विथ फ्लाइंग कलर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. और लक्ष्य को पाना याद रखना, ठीक है? थैंक यू.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nandini Vashisht. I come from Muradabad, UP and I have come to DDA for training for SSB, Tech Entry in Navy, and it was a very capsule course of 14 days, 12 days effective studies, but it was amazing. I learnt a lot about SSB and other things, and the assessors are really good in coordinating, plus my peer group has been very encouraging. So this was overall a good experience. Dehradun was a nice place and DDA was better.
Good morning everyone, I am Anjali Dombe coming from Pune,
Maharashtra. I started my journey here with a lot of nervousness, but Doon Defence Academy gave me the confidence with different aspects of SSB and introduced us extensively to various aspects that we need to improve in ourselves. And the assessors that were allotted to us were very encouraging and motivating, and they assessed us extensively when it comes to different aspects of our personality and our physical strength. I got a lot of confidence from the 14 days program that I attended here, and I'm excited to say that this will definitely help me in my journey to pursue my SSB hereafter. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Vaibhavi Doizer. I am coming from Sangli, Maharashtra. I have joined DDA as per a crash course of 15 days, and I have learned a lot of things which are need to be improved. So it was the great experience. The assessors was really good to motivate us. So it was the great experience for me. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Nandini Bhati this side, and I am from Haryana, Faridabad. I had took coaching at Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy at Dehradun. It was a great experience there. I learned about myself, and I am confident about myself that I will definitely clear my SSB after taking coaching at Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy. And I am from a NDA entry, so also I get a concession in my fees also, and all faculties were good. It was my great experience there. Thank you.
So I am Diksha. I came from Karnal, Haryana. I took SSB coaching for my ground duty non-technical Indian Air Force from Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy. As per my preparation, I realized they helped me find my core areas of strength and weaknesses as well. Helped me boost my confidence as well as my problem solving skills. So yes, it was a good experience here.
Myself Jayamitra Thapa, and I have done a 15 days crash course for SSB Tech from DDA Institute. Here I got the environment, how to deal with real life scenarios in Indian Army, and how to know the techniques to get selected as well. The teachers and the academics are highly motivating, and they were streamlined. That can help us a lot to get in defense as well as in real life aspects as well. And the teachers are really helpful. They are always kind and supportive to us. They taught us a lot, and in a good manner. Thank you.
My name is Saurav. I am from Lakhisara. I come here DDA to prepare for SSB interview. Colonel sir teaches me a lot. He deal with all the question, and especially GTO sir helped me a lot in speaking and also in lecturate, and psychology sir was good. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. Well, my name is Khodan Pansa, and I have come from Arunachal Pradesh, which took me 2000 kilometers, and I have landed in DDA, which is in Dehradun, and I have enjoyed a lot here. When it comes to SSB part, there is every kind of facilities is there in DDA. We got all the group tasks, psychology, and OIR. Everything is maintained systematically, and I would like to suggest that DDA is best for SSB coaching as well as for CDS or NDA coaching. So I really enjoy, and especially in my psychology, I have learned a lot. And in the DDA, there is a lot of faculties are there which are really helpful for all of us. So I suggest everyone, if you happen to look for a coaching institute, to come and join DDA. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Parikshan Negi, and I am in the DDA for my NDA SSB interview. Here the all faculties are very good. I have a good experience with all the GTO sir, interviewing sir, and the psychology sir, and they helped me to get through my weak points and improve my communication skills. I suggest you should come to DDA for your SSB interview, and you will have a better experience.
My name is Akash Lingwal, and I am from Dehradun. I have come here for the SSB of NCC Special Entry. When I came over here, I was a shy and an introvert boy, but after meeting the faculties of DDA, especially the GTO, they all taught me how to communicate, how to perform in JD, how to give lecturate, and transformed me into an extrovert boy. I would suggest to each and everyone, if you want to enhance yourself, not only your communication skills, your GD, your lecturate, if you want to enhance it, and if you have a social anxiety and if you have a social fear to communicate with the people, you should definitely come to DDA. It improves us not only mentally but also physically, because at the last day we have done our individual task which requires a lot of physical endurance, and we were able to cope up with that with ease. So I would suggest you all to come DDA so that you can see a revolutionary change in you. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Aryan Sharma. I am from Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh, and I took coaching for 15 days SSB Batch at Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. It was quite a lovely experience, and I learned a lot about SSB and what I am supposed to do in SSB from here. And the teaching faculty was also very nice, and hostel facilities and food was also very good. So thank you.
Okay, how was the Joes for How was the Joes for SSB? Lakshya ko? लक्ष्य को और द जोश जय हिंद
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.